Many young men, they go into marriage not having any relationship with a woman beforehand, not knowing that a woman is created very differently to a man, not knowing how to deal when she becomes emotional, not knowing what to do when she is very sensitive towards her feelings. So as a result, it becomes a shock to the man when he becomes married, and he realizes he has married someone who is very different to him. So it's very important to the young men who are looking to get married that they learn about the way the Prophet ﷺ was with his wives. Learn that men and women are different. وَلَيْسَ الذَّكَرُ كَالْأُنْثَى. The male is not like the female. And if you are a father, then take your son, sit him down and educate him about the rights of a wife. Educate him about what it means to be a husband. Warn him about abusing his wife. Warn him about not oppressing his wife, because this is a reality that we see day in and day out, my dear brothers.